Okay, we are here with Joanne Wisner. And Joanne, you shared something with us that was kind of endearing. So if you could kindly let us know what that was.
I'm very happy with the Calloway company. They have been honest and upright with me, and I had some problems with worrying about the gutters being done. I have my own people that have done the gutters, and they assured me they would make time for them to do them, and everything would be done the way I wanted it done. And I'm just very happy with them. And whenever I call the girls, they are just absolutely wonderful in the office. Whenever I have any doubts or any concerns, they have the answer for me, and if they don't, they will get it.
Wonderful. And what was what you said with the conversation you had with the adjuster?
Oh, I asked the adjuster how he felt about us signing like we did with someone, and he said that sometimes it was good and sometimes it was okay. And then I asked my insurance company, because I was really concerned then, signing off my rights
Right.
to do anything with going on with the roof. And my insurance company said they have never ever had any trouble with Callaway.
Oh, well, thank you so much for that.
So
It means a lot because when we're trying to get these obviously the property restored, there's a certain number of line items that because of what was there before, that's what they provide. And then when we go in and we say, look, here's the building code items and all the other things that you're supposed to have on there, we ask for that cooperation only because that way we can ensure that you get what you're
and
entitled to.
I think that's a big part of it. That's a huge part, knowing that we've got the roof quality that we should have, the
Wonderful.
best quality.
And any final words for any homeowner out there that might have any kind of reservation, especially with the
Don't ever
experience?
doubt if you got Callaway. Don't ever doubt them. I'll tell you, they've been just wonderful. We did the right thing when we signed with them.
Well, thank you very much for your
You
time.
took care of all of our concerns.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. Thank you.